Hello there, I just want to share with you how you can fix this type of problem. You need to identify, as you see here, I can see already the metal and it's not good. What I'm going to do, I'm going to use something like this, right? That I'm going to put on this back side. There we go. Okay, you need to touch the metal, right? And then you are going to use something like this just to protect it against rust. This one is, I don't have. This one is just to protect against rust. It cannot attack plastic, but it will attack only the metal, right? This is the next step. And then I will paint it with first anti-corrosion paint. Okay. This is to really kill the rust. Then I will show you what I do after. First of all, the rust need to be out of the game, of this place. So as soon as that place will be dry, the first thing that I need to use is this primer, right? I use the primer. Then when the primer will be dry, I will use this fiberglass putty with this one, with this red one. Then I will use this one like this. I will leave like this to be dry. I just spray the primer on it. It will be dry, and then I will apply this one. I need to finish everything today, so I already prepared this one. It is this one, and I'm going to mix with this one. Okay. Just like this. It will be dry for at least 1 hour. Then I will come and try to remove everything around it and polish it. Hello there. So just want to share with you the end of this little project. As you remember, this place here, some place here was broken. I managed to arrange it as I can, and this is the final result. But it's not so good now. It's raining. Just need to polish it, and it'll be more good. Like and subscribe to my channel. Have a nice day. Bye.